Hi guys, Terry here. Welcome back to my Declutter series. I hope that you're doing along with me. This is to give you inspiration too. um, I want to remind you that a lot of times when we're decluttering, the area is going to look worse before it looks better, right? So I don't do well with piles everywhere. But it's kind of just a nasty thing that we've got to go through. So I have taken the stuff that I'm going to sell at the garage sale downstairs, so it's out of here. But the rest of it is, you know, these are the alpha letters that I'm keeping. And then I've got my inks here I've gone through. So today I think I'm going to tackle this Razcog. And yeah, I just want to remind you that it's a process, right? I would encourage you not to pull out too much at a time. Like today, I'm just going to focus on the Razcog and decide what I'm getting out of here and what I love and what I'm keeping. So just know that these piles are going to be put in their proper place, and at the end of all this, we're just going to have a lot happier room where we come in and we're inspired. So keep that in mind. So let me set up my tripod and we will go through this Razcog. So this is a Razcog that I have next to my desk. I've got my commonly used tools, scissors, ruler, just all the little things that I grab for, all the little tools. So that's very handy to have near me. A lot of what is in this little stand is ephemera. So that's all these little, pieces and parts for, I use this for scrapbooking and I also use it for card making. So I think what I'm going to do is, I have so many duplicates of these, I think I'm going to pare this down and just keep one or two of the ones that I really like. If I haven't used them by now, I'm doing so much less scrapbooking that I don't think I'm going to use them. So I'll see if I can sell them. If I can't sell them, they'll be donated. So I'm going to pull all those out. This is some Gina K. This came with a stamp set. So I think I'm going to put this with the stamps so that I use it. And these came in mosaics. So I think I'm going to put that with my mosaic dies so that I use those. And here's some letters. Oh my gosh, I have 5 red. 5 red. I know it's nice to have extra letters, but I'm not using them. Someone else can make use of these. I need to go get my box that I'm putting all my cell stuff in. So here's some green ones. I'll probably keep 1 red and 1 green, and I'm going to put these near my letters so that I remember that I have them. More little ephemera. Like I said, these are probably all going to be donate. And then I'll just pull a couple out that are fun that I know that I'll use. So, the other thing that I've done with ephemera in the past is, as I open up those packs, I keep them in these little pouches. It's a nice way to store it. I don't know if it's a nice way to use it. So I probably have enough of these in here that I can just get rid of the ones that are still in the packaging. So I'll probably do that. I like these packages. I got a big pack of these on Amazon. They were very inexpensive. I like the smaller ones because then I can kind of keep the similar sets together in there. So I probably have enough of those and can get rid of the other ones. So these will all be for sale. I love them. I'm not using them. So I want to be realistic about it. Here's some cards that I made. I'll put these with my cards that I need to send to people. little scraps and bebops. It's okay to throw some of this stuff away. You know, we hang on to it, you think you're going to use it. It's been here for a couple years, I haven't used it. I have a scrap bin, but looking at this, I think it's colors that I probably wouldn't use. It was for a card kit, I made the rest of it. This is the leftover, so I think I'll pitch some of this stuff. Some little coloring pads. I've got some other art supplies that I'm gonna donate, so I think I might throw this in there. Kids would love to color these, so that's a donate. And I love tags. I love tags. So I think what I'm going to do is go through here and keep some of them, but I don't need to keep masses of them. I'll just keep a handful, and the rest can all be in the garage sale, you know? So I thought I would use them. I haven't used them, so they're going to be out of here. Maybe I'll keep the ones that are unpackaged, and the rest I can put in the garage sale. So I'm going to go get a box to put this stuff in. Okay, I made some progress. I've got my bin here for the garage sale, and I kind of put it in this plastic shoebox thing. I can have that on the table. I can put one price on the front that says, you know, $5 for $1 something. I don't know. I'll put some goofy price on it. So that is ready to go for the garage sale. And then this I like because I kept a little bit of it. I didn't want to part with all of it. I surely could have dumped it all in a thing to donate and gotten rid of it, but there's still stuff when I go through there that I like it. I'm like, oh yeah, I remember this. I wanted to use this. So stuff that I knew was my style and that I would use, and some of it is open, so I'm going to keep that. I've got a huge thing of tags there. I love tags. I kept that much of them, and now I can kind of see what's in that stand. So I love that. Let me go take this down to the scrapbook pile, the garage sale pile, and get this off of there. And then I'm simply going to go through the bottom stuff in that Razcog that is, this was the Santas that I made last Christmas. This was the macrame Santas. These were a big hit. I had these on Christmas boxes and decorations for Christmas. So I'll just put these together. I still like this. When I bought the supplies, you know, it makes a bunch of them. So I still enjoy this, and then I will have it together for next Christmas season. And then the stuff on the bottom, I think this is all just some storage stuff. So I'll put that with my other boxes. I've got this I pulled out of my closet. It's some extra paint supplies. Probably going to get rid of paint supplies. Some I use, but I don't need all the stuff that I have. And then I've got some other alcohol markers. I have my Stampin' Up! Blends that I like, so I don't know if I'm going to hang on to this. Maybe I can find a school teacher or somebody that could use these markers. So since I have my Stampin' Blends, I really don't reach for these, so someone else can be using them. And then I've got some other paint stuff down there. So again, got to decide, am I doing watercolor painting anymore? The other thing that I was thinking was, as I clean out stuff from all my Alex drawers and other project areas, I probably could put some of the paints in the drawers and then get rid of some of these other things that I have around the room. So I like that idea, that it, you know, I can whittle down stuff that's on the shelves as this stuff gets whittled down. So don't get discouraged in your first couple of days. I mean, it's, you know, we have a lot in our craft rooms. Take it a little bit at a time. Do one little Rascog. And again, I'm just keeping in mind what I use and what I don't use. So I'll put some before and after pictures on my blog post. And yeah, I hope you just continue to follow along. So I'll say bye for now. I'm going to go get more of this stuff down for the garage sale. That's coming up later this month. I'll have the address in the video information down below. It's in Columbus, Ohio, so if you're in the area, come and see all the goodies that we'll have there. And I hope you have a great week. Thanks for watching.